Hello students, my name is Priya. I am from Target IELTS Academy. In this video, I will talk about writing module of IELTS. Okay, let's start. In writing, there are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. There are some differences between both tasks. The first one is word limit. In task 1, you have to write 150 to 180 words. Meanwhile, in task 2, your word limit is 250 to 280. Your second point is time limit. In task 1, your timing is 20 minutes. On the other hand, it is 40 minutes. Therefore, the whole writing consists of 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. The next one is structure. In task 1, for academic tests, there will be an image of any graph, map or process. And for journal training, takers will have to write a letter. It may be formal, informal or semi-formal. However, task 2 is totally based on social or global issues. The last one is opinions. There is no need to give any personal opinion in task 1. You have to write whatever is mentioned in the image. But in task 2, you can write about your personal opinion or experience to support your essay. So guys, this is all about the comparison between task 1 and task 2. So now I will explain about few types of task 1. First one is bar graph. In bar graph, there will be one or few charts. The data is demonstrated in vertical or horizontal bars. For example, the given bar graph is on transport preferences among young people from distinct nations. Now I will tell you how can you write the data. For example, in Great Britain, 60% of youngsters like to use car for traveling. So this is the way to write down the data. The next type is pie chart. It is usually in the form of circle which is divided into many parts. Its example is comparison of energy production. So the data is given in past. So you have to use past tense. Like in 1995, the energy produced from coal was 29.80%, while in 2005 it was increased by almost 1%. Next one is line graph. It is used to show how data or information change over the time. Here is the example. The provided line graph provides the information about intake or consumption of fast food in grams. So you have to write that 300 gram of pizza was eaten by people in 1970, but after that it showed gradual decrease and in 1990 it reached at 200. Our next type is flowchart. The image of a flowchart will be displayed by using arrows and it will be based on natural process like lifespan of an animal, or it may be artificial process like manufacturing process or brick manufacturing. In this process, the first point is digging clay from ground and the final is delivery. Following to this, our next type is map. In map, there will be two or more diagrams about same place, but it may be in two or three different timelines. It may be past, present or future. For instance, in 1986, there was a farmland area, but now it is completely vanished and replaced by residential houses. So guys, this is all about the types of task 1. About task 2, I will explain you in my upcoming videos. So if you think that this video is beneficial for you, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.